Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do power plant puzzle in Rust. So what you'll need to do is go right here to the next red shack right here and just turn this switch on, and right here you'll need to run to the other side of the power plant. So right here, after that open the door. Right here you'll find these switches. Just activate both of them and the timer. And now just go ahead to the main building, prepare your green keycard, make sure there's no people around, and right here is the green keycard room. So after that, go right here until you find a switch right here. So you basically go around and you'll find that. Now what you'll need to do is find the stairs or climb like this. And after that, what you want to do is go and climb right here, put the fuse, and you don't need to click anything, just prepare your blue keycard, swipe it, and as you can see right here, you'll find a red keycard. Oh, not here, you'll find the red keycard right here. You'll find, if you're lucky, military crate right here. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.